How to fix Spotify problem, no internet connection. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and you have to go now directly to apps or applications, and here we'll find all the applications that you have on your phone. So what you should do, just open Spotify and go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.